George Smith here, Stuart, Florida, MarineMax. I'm going to do a walkthrough today on the 27 Sea Ray Outboard. She comes equipped with a 300 outboard. Boat does about 45 to 50 miles an hour. There's plenty of speed and room to do some skiing or wet boarding. Ski eye here. Let's take a little closer look at the boat. The color combination on this boat is absolutely gorgeous. There's plenty of storage up under all these seats. You can sit 14 people on this model. The seats are reversible, they flip back and forth. It comes with a GPS standard equipment. This is the sea deck on the floor. Here's the head compartment. Comes with the sink, and there's a tinted window inside also. The sports spoiler, if you have to get under a low bridge, it will actually come down low, so that's a nice plus for this particular model. As we move forward on the boat, you notice all the nice blue accent lighting throughout the boat, and it also has the power anchor, the windlass forward on this model, pump out for the head, and ample seating again all through the bow and up under all these cushions and under the floor. There's plenty of more storage. So my name is George Smith. I work in the MarineMax Stuart store, 908-675-6746. Please get in contact with me. Thank you.